at WTI, and I can honestly say I have never loved my hair more after using Pacifica's Pineapple Curls shampoo. I got so tired of people telling me that if I would just take care of my hair, it would look wavier and better. And so I finally decided to do something about it, and I purchased this. It goes on so silky and it smells so sweet and yummy, just like pineapples. It's so light and not thick at all, so it suds up so nice in your hair. A little goes a long way. Just look how all those suds build up in there. My hair feels so much more hydrated and bouncy. I feel so much more confident after using this product. My hair type is pretty wavy, but also kind of thin and definitely not super coily curly. And I really feel like this has helped bring out the waves and the curl to my hair. I say if you're looking for a way to elevate your hair care game, you got to give this shampoo a try. And that's just my point of view.